of battery charge there is, and the fan comes on.
Switch it on again.
It also acts as a dust filter. Now when you place it inside here, you just have to place it in that slot, push it in there, and then you have this front grill. The front grill essentially is a 800 micron pitch filter. This prevents some debris and water drops in the rain and other things to hit the fan. Once you have placed these two things, you can see on the top you will have the hole for the water reservoir. This is where you fill the water, and this is the control unit. So protect this entire region, we have a soft rubber lid that sits easily on top. So you just place it there and you give it a good press and it slots inside there happily. So it takes hardly any time and you're good to go. Once you're ready, you just turn on the Blue Snap cooler and you can start riding.
I thought, okay, rather than try to introduce a new product to the world, can we build something that attaches to a product that people already use? And if you've ever driven a motorcycle and wear a helmet, you know how hot it is inside. It's like a furnace inside. In fact, to somebody who rides a motorcycle, I don't even need to sell the concept of cooling, right? So to me, it seemed like this is a good candidate to attach our wearable cooler to. That's how we got to the product.
Just to see how your future plans. One shot, sir.
So this is basically an air cooler that we are using for the helmet. It gives you cleaner air, cooler air. As you can see, the bright light is out there. It's very hard to ride in this condition. This cooler helps you ride with ease, and dust-free air is coming inside. It's very cool, so it gives you a very comfortable feeling, like you get in a car AC basically. It's like an AC for your helmet.